In the previous video, we set up a route for registration and login, pointing to the homepage. However, clicking on the register link currently redirects us to the same homepage. So, let's take the next step and create the register component. Using the terminal, run the command php artisan make livewire auth register. This will generate a blade file and the register class inside the auth folder. For now, we'll focus on designing the page in this video. To make it functional, change the class name in the web file from homepage to register. Now, let's create an input element in our register file for testing purposes. Here, I'm adding a label and an input to enter the username. Don't forget to include the respective classes in the app.css file. Next, let's create an error component inside the form folder. This way, we can call it below the input element. Similarly, we can create a component for the input element. We'll include name, label, and type in the props, and utilize the variable wherever necessary. We're also adding an attributes variable so that we can pass additional attributes to the input element. Now you can structure your register.blade.php like this, requiring less code and making it easy to maintain. I'll provide the complete code used, including the wire submit attribute in the register.blade.php file, which we'll implement in the upcoming video. We've also set up the wire model in each input component. In the app.css file, these are the design classes that were added. As a result, our register page now has a refined appearance. In the next video, we'll proceed to create a database, set it up in our env file, create a form object in Livewire, and make our registration process fully functional. If you encounter any difficulties, please don't hesitate to comment below. Stay tuned for the next video.